Outdoor heavy-duty bike U-lock is best used as a bicycle lock. U-shaped steel bike lock with key. Includes carrier bracket for easy transportation. Bike lock features a hardened steel body and double locking shackle for superior cutting and prying resistance. Bike lock body is 6-1/8 in, 16 cm, wide, with 8 in, 20 cm, shackle length, 4 in, 10 cm, width and 1/2 in, 13 mm, diameter. Includes one U-lock bike lock, 2 keys. Affordable U-lock protection. Top reviews from the United States. Cheap in price but good in quality. Keeps a bike locked. Nice vinyl sort of plastic covering on them so they don't scratch up your frame. If you buy two, note that the keys look identical, so you may want to mark which key goes to which lock, or not. Keys slide in well, easy to open and close the locks. Not too heavy, i.e., they can be carried in a backpack. Solid locks, especially for the price.